Okay, today we are going to learn how to multiply the numbers 1 to 10, the numbers from the range 1 to 10. So open Pydroid 3 and here we define a variable we called we call it product product and assign the value 1. This is the initial value for the result. The result will be stored in that variable. In a for loop, we define a range of numbers using the range function from 1 to 10. The last value is not included in the range. 11 is not included. Good. Now in the product variable, we will store the product, the multiplication product by I, the iteration variable I. Here we specify this operator, this compose operator, multiplication and assignment. The multiplication is performed first. It is product by the I variable. That multiplication will be stored in the product variable. Okay, and now we can show the contents of the product variable. Execute this script and we get this value 3,628,800. Okay. This operation is equivalent. I will create this new line, and now from the math module import the factorial function. I will reuse the product variable and assign the result of the invocation of factorial function. In the argument, we need to specify the rightmost value of the range. In this case, 10. And now finally show the value of that variable product, and the result will be the same. Execute and see here, these two values are equal. Those values are equal. There are many ways to get a result. The most efficient in this case is the use of the factorial function. That function, remember, is defined in the math module. Okay,